What is up, guys? Daniel Storm89 here. Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're back at Universal Studios Hollywood for another construction update on this project right behind here. Yeah, that right there, my friends, is for Fast and Furious Supercharged. Not Supercharged, the roller coaster. I've been watching a lot of Fast and Furious stuff lately, so that's why I got used to it say Supercharged. But no, Fast and Furious roller coaster coming here to the park. So let's get rolling. We're back at Universal Studios Hollywood, the first trip of 2024. Let's go. Sadly, Grinchmas has already concluded for the season already. They still have the Christmas decorations on, but Grinchmas is not going anymore, sadly. So at least it's gonna be my last time seeing all of these decorations up until the next few weeks, because they'll be down already. Since Grinchmas ended like 2 days ago or something, but they still have leftovers left over. But yeah, let's get some updates. That's what the channel's all about for this video. We're getting some updates. Glad to be back here at Universal. I've been off a few weeks. I've not been posting updates lately. I've been like concentrating on like all of the Grinchmas stuff and everything. And including I did just recently went to Disney. So if you haven't checked that video, make sure to check it out after this video. But yeah, we're gonna do the first ride, which is the studio tour, to get some updates. Since that's the only attraction that has a low wait time at the moment. Except for Kung Fu Panda, but I want to do something like the tour. Also, guys, make sure to drop a like on the video and consider to subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss out a new video here on the channel. Alright, we're going to do the studio tour first. I'm going to show you guys a quick update over here. They're actually renovating where it used to be the concession stands around this area. I'm pretty much sure they're just renovating. They're gonna bring them back. They have them upstairs. I'll show you on the way back. But right now it's posted at a 30-minute wait. Yeah, I could wait for a bit, so we're good.
En un asiento azul, hay gran probabilidad de que se van a mojar. Si todos son azules. Todos excepto el mío y el de Mike, nuestro conductor, así que no se preocupen por nosotros. Ustedes cuiden muy bien de sus cámaras, teléfonos celulares, artefactos electrónicos, etcétera, para que no se les vayan a mojar o a caer durante el recorrido. Y bueno, vamos ingresando a los estudios a través de la línea del tiempo de los estudios Universal. Nuestros estudios abrieron sus puertas marzo 15 de 1915.
Buenísima, ¿qué onda? Bienvenidos todos al mundialmente famoso Studio Tour aquí en Universal Studios Hollywood. Soy uno de los estudios más grandes y más utilizados del mundo. Y también aquí están los estudios del Telemundo en California. Queremos...
I don't know why they're filming on the back wall today.
sobre un barco. Estos son de la tercera película. Varios personajes se esconden aquí para evadir el dinosaurio que los está atacando. A mano izquierda, el laboratorio móvil de la segunda película, y algo muy especial a mano derecha, varias jaulas con dinosaurios vivos.
I already got wet on King Kong and now more.
Y bueno, ya que nos vamos alejando de los dinosaurios y estamos casi todos a salvo, quiero mostrarle una escena del mundo perdido del Parque Jurásico. Aquí pueden ver el laboratorio móvil en... Este efecto es creado con grandes tanques de agua en el tope de la colina. El mismo aparece en la película Big Fat Liar, el gran mentiroso, con Frankie Muniz. Ese fue Jaws, el tiburón de la película Jaws, dirigida por Steven Spielberg en el 1975. Pero casi todos los personajes de esa serie viven en esa calle. Si han visto la nueva película navideña con Eddie Murphy, Eddie Murphy vivía en la casa marrón, y en esa película, esa calle completa es Disney, esa película de Prime en estos momentos. Aquí también se filmó la serie Good Girls, Chicas Buenas, con Christina Hendricks, Reda y Whitney, y hay muchísimas personas que aún reconocen esta calle como Wisteria Lane, de la serie Desperate Housewives, conocida en español como Amas de Casa Desesperadas, Mujeres Desesperadas.
Oh no, not the Pride Month colors.
Esposas desesperadas. Everything filmed here. La serie vieron. Las 8 temporadas filmaron aquí. Esa es el que conduce Brendan Fraser en la versión del 1999 de La Momia. Varios de nuestros escenarios más icónicos se encuentran a continuación. A mano derecha van a ver el Hotel Bates y la casa de la película Psicosis, Psycho, del director Alfred Hitchcock. Esa película filmó aquí en el año 1960. Recientemente han estado filmando escenas de Quantum Leap aquí también en este mismo escenario. Y aunque la casa parece de tamaño real, es técnicamente una miniatura. Está construida a 7/8 del tamaño de una casa. La mamá de Norman Bates aún cuida del motel desde la ventana de su... Normalmente está aquí, eso es peor que la leyenda. Les recomiendo tengan mucho cuidado, no lo miren directo a los ojos, no los le están tomando fotos, a él no le gusta. Creo que nos tenemos que ir de aquí, vámonos de aquí. Pienso que deberíamos irnos de aquí antes de que nos ataque un extraterrestre real. Voy a avisar a las autoridades sobre un posible avisamiento de un ovni. Disculpen un segundo. Bueno, señores, vamos pasando por Jupiter's Claim. Una nube sospechosa pasó por el área y el equipo dejó de funcionar. Si hay alguien en su equipo que pueda venir a investigar, por favor, envíelo lo más pronto posible. Disculpe. Hola. ¿Me escucha? Hola.
I'll tell you who I am, boy. I'm the reason bad guys use a nightlight. Okay.
Just to exit out the studio tour. Sadly, the Grinch is gone now, so they already removed all the picture cards. They still have some decorations left over, but they're gonna switch it back to normal. There's not gonna be no decorations now for a while until for Horror Nights for the Terror Tram, like they did for Violent Night. I think they did for Horror Nights. But yeah, awesome tour today for the Spanish tour we did, so I didn't want to wait in line. So hope you guys enjoyed the Spanish. The studio tour is actually 60 years this year, which amazing. I remember it just recently, it went by fast. Time, it was like the 50th anniversary or something was in 2015. I'm guessing it was in 1914. I'm pretty much sure, obviously, or something like that. No, not really, because that was 100 years. Never mind. But yeah, really cool that it's the 60th anniversary this year for the studio tour. Hopefully they do something this year for the tour or something new. Obviously, for the 50th anniversary, we got Springfield and Fast and Furious Supercharged. But yeah, if any of you guys want to actually go on the tour, there it is. Another update here. A few weeks ago, they did change the construction goals to advertise for Fast and Furious here. New ride coming soon. No official name property. It's just called Fast and Furious Roller Coaster as of right now. But hopefully we will get a better title. Yes, sir. Too sad to see Grinchmas not going anymore. Dude, that's actually one of my favorite events. I cannot meet the Grinch anymore. What? Over here at the Universal Studio Store, I know Grinchmas is over, but they do have a 30% off on discounted on some Grinchmas stuff. So all this merchandise, 30% off right now. Any is there another sign that I can find? Oh, here it is. This is what we're looking at. Whatever is on the left, that was the price from when they brought all the Grinchmas stuff back, and this is what the prices are on the right side. So if any of you guys want to get any Grinchmas merchandise, they do have it here at the Universal Studio Store here inside of the park and outside as well, and also at the Animation Studio Store as well. I do want to pick up some stuff, but I don't see any of the Grinch stuff that I want. It's just I got like a new Grinchmas pajama, but I want to get a new t-shirt. That's the thing, because the previous one got ruined. But yeah, really good. Oh my goodness, this is all for construction for the Fast and Furious roller coaster. They are going on vertical actually right over there. I know I was here for the holiday season, but I didn't want to film too much for the update since I wanted to just cover mostly on the Grinch stuff. But dang, a lot of foundation has been going on here. Dang, they're like putting on some pillars. There's like a random wall. I don't know what's that for. So crazy. This crane is, by the way, this is new because last time when I was here, it was just only that pillar down there on the ground. They added it. Obviously, this is just only for the construction because they'll remove it afterwards. But dang, there's a lot of people actually working today. So at least they're like working hard on this. There's nobody like at the plaza like working for Grinchmas taking down. They only took down like a few ornaments at the archway and that's it. But mostly everyone is over here at the Fast and Furious area because they want to get this finished whenever they can open up sometime in next year in 2025. I'll say. And then this amazing view. Dang. Okay, randomly it started to rain here, but now it stopped. So if any of you guys are coming from my live stream, I did a live stream actually by the time I filmed this vlog. It started to rain like crazy. Oh my god.